Welcome to another Big Daddy D fish catching adventure. I don't know if you can see that. A couple of tailing reds right up there. There you go. Yeah. Let's see if I can get this guy in. Got him on the spoon. Come on, come around. Come around. You're not done yet, are you? I think that might be a keeper. Oh, come back up around. Come on. Get in the boat. All right. That would be a nice red. That red would be, let's see how big that red would be. That red would be 24. I do believe that is big enough. Got one more. See if I can get him turned. Looks like a little rat red though. Whoops, he came off.